Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a couple times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And in fact, I'm just going to use these lines for some of the near-term levels, just because from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, or not really update, but just kind of newest level to turn your attention to as far as resistances is right up there around $9.10, give or take a few cents. But you can see on essentially 3 separate occasions today, the price got right up around that general area and couldn't quite push through. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can't break through 9.10. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but be able to stay up above it. So 9.10 is that near-term level of resistance going forward. As far as levels of support, the ideal level of support going forward, we say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above 865. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 865, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above 865, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 865 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So all in all, a very nice start to the week. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.